happened? Have a good day.
Ah, okay. Ma, naraw. My mother. My father called. My father pa.
Lagi namang judgmental programa.
My brother married fierce than me.
Few what?
My brother, he married fierce than me.
Few years. First.
He's my brother.
First. Oh,
Ay,
you're not. That's
you're not the same face.
Oh.
Same face. Wala gusto ko nagsuon.
You
Not
have
the same as I
different.
told you.
Face? Different faces. Ano sa kambal?
My brother looks more older than me.
More. Yeah.
Siya din
True.
magulang.
Yeah.
Kasi magulang puro. Magulang.
You're the older, but your brother is
Younger.
looks older than you.
Yes.
Ah.
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
Turning 20.
20. You are so young. My sister is 19.
19. Turning 20.
Turning 20 also.
Yes, turning
So-
20.
She born on 2005.
2006.
Bago pa siya.
Ah.
Bago pa siya ga-birthday.
Turning 20.
December.
December, yeah. But
Yes.
she's sakto. 19 pa man.
Ay, mag-19 pa.
Oh, karong December.
Lagi.
She's pretty.
Presag na wong.
You have the same face.
Close sila ko.
But I thought that's your GF.
She borns when I have 11 years old.
When you're 11?
When I was 11, she born.
Okay.
She's a baby.
Yeah. You're so close. That what's we call on that? You're so
Yes, we are close.
Yeah.
We are so close.
You get it, but I'm struggling here. What English should use? Sa mama mag-record ko mama.